This is just a quick overview on how to use the Wellness Living Achieve app on your mobile device to book either one-on-one appointments, assessments, or to book classes. So the main reason I want to do this is just to show you how to get in there, and if you have family members that are linked to your profile, how you can book them in as well. So the Wellness Living Achieve app is this one, the purple one with the thing that looks like a flower in it. So obviously, if you click on it, you use your login details. So if you've been a client of ours before, you may have login details. If you've been a client of another facility or another business that uses the Wellness Living Achieve software, you may have an account there. So you can log in using those details and then either search for Motion and Sync, or if the reason you have the app is because you've already been a client of Motion and Sync, then that should all be set up and ready to go. If you don't remember your password, then you can just click on Forgot Password and sort that out, and you'll be able to log in from there. So once you've logged in, you'll come to this main page, and basically if you want to book an appointment, you go to Book Now, and then you'll see Adult Strength and Conditioning, Youth Strength and Conditioning, Assessments and One-on-Ones, and Specialized Appointments. So you can click on any of those, pick what you want. So if you're looking to book yourself in Adult Strength and Conditioning, you'll see if you click on it, all the options come up, and it's really easy to book. If you have family members such as children linked to your account, which if you don't, we can do it for you too, to just make it easy. You just click on My Profile, and you'll see I've just got an example here. Anyone linked to your account will show up underneath your profile. So then you would just click on their picture or whatever is there, and it'll show you that it's signed in as that client successfully, and then you'd use the same process to book their appointments. If it's for more than one client, then you would go back to My Profile, click on yours again, and then just go back, and you'd click on the other family member, book them, and just so that it gets booked under each of their appointments, so that the appointments are linked to their specific accounts. So I hope that helps. If you need any other help with regards to how to figure this all out, just let me know. I'll have another video showing how to do this on a computer as well.